Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sufia, and welcome to Daily Tips, your go-to channel for quick, science-backed health advice. From nutrition hacks to simple lifestyle changes, I'll help you stay fit, healthy, and full of energy every day. Subscribe now and start your journey to a better you, one tip at a time. If you're trying to eat healthy but still love flavor, this video is for you. Today I'll be sharing 7 delicious and easy chicken recipes that are perfect for a healthy lifestyle. These meals are high in protein, low in unhealthy fats, and packed with nutrients to keep you energized all day long. So, grab your notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll have a full week of healthy chicken recipes ready to go. Let's jump in. Recipe 1. Grilled lemon herb chicken, a light and fresh recipe to start your week. Just marinate chicken breast in lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, black pepper, and mixed herbs, then grill it until golden. It's full of flavor, rich in protein, and pairs perfectly with a side of steamed veggies or quinoa. Recipe 2. Chicken and veggie stir-fry. Quick, colorful, and nutrient-packed. Stir-fry diced chicken with broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, and a splash of soy sauce. This meal takes just 15 minutes and gives you a perfect balance of protein, fiber, and vitamins. Recipe 3. Chicken salad wrap. If you're looking for a healthy lunch on the go, this one's a winner. Mix shredded chicken with Greek yogurt, a squeeze of lemon, and chopped veggies like cucumber and lettuce. Wrap it in a whole grain tortilla, and boom, a high-protein, low-calorie meal ready in minutes. Recipe 4. Baked chicken with sweet potatoes. Toss chicken breasts and cube sweet potatoes in olive oil, paprika, and black pepper. Bake for 25 minutes and enjoy a hearty, wholesome meal full of complex carbs and lean protein. It's great for muscle recovery after a workout. Recipe 5. Chicken soup for immunity. Perfect for cold days or when you're feeling low on energy. Simmer chicken pieces with onion, garlic, carrots, celery, and turmeric for 30 minutes. This soup is light, hydrating, and packed with nutrients that support your immune system. Recipe 6. Chicken and brown rice bowl, a simple and satisfying meal prep favorite. Combine grilled chicken with brown rice, corn, avocado, and beans. Drizzle a little olive oil or lemon dressing. It's a power-packed bowl full of healthy carbs, fats, and protein to fuel your day. Recipe 7. Spicy tandoori chicken. If you love bold flavors, this one's for you. Marinate chicken in yogurt, chili powder, ginger, garlic, and lemon juice, then grill or bake it until it's juicy and slightly charred. It's low in oil but high in taste, and works great with a side of salad or whole grain naan. Pro tip: to make your chicken meals healthier, use olive oil or air frying instead of deep frying. Avoid heavy sauces or creams and go for herbs, spices, and natural marinades for flavor. So, there you have it. 7 chicken recipes that are not only delicious but also perfect for maintaining a healthy, balanced lifestyle. Whether you're trying to lose fat, build muscle, or just eat cleaner, these meals will keep you satisfied without the guilt. Tell me in the comments, which recipe are you trying first? Lemon herb chicken, tandoori chicken, or maybe that cozy chicken soup? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more easy, healthy recipe videos every week. Eat smart, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.